I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study social science history. First, begin by understanding the broad historical context of the social phenomena you are interested in. This involves identifying key events and their immediate societal impacts. Next, you will need to analyze both primary and secondary source materials to gain a comprehensive view. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid understanding of the past. Once you have your topic, start with general overviews to establish a clear timeline and major players. Then, dive into locating primary sources such as letters, diaries, government documents, or oral histories. These first-hand accounts offer invaluable insights. Remember to critically evaluate every source for potential biases, its reliability, and the perspective it offers. This ensures a balanced and accurate understanding of events. After gathering your information, the next step is to synthesize it, drawing connections between different sources to form your own conclusions. It's vital to connect these historical events to contemporary social issues, seeing how the past shapes the present. Always consider multiple viewpoints and interpretations to develop a nuanced and comprehensive understanding. This critical thinking helps avoid oversimplification and promotes deeper insight. Finally, use your research to formulate your own well-supported arguments and insights. Apply the lessons learned from history to better understand and address current social challenges. This active engagement transforms historical study from mere memorization into a powerful tool for understanding our world. For those looking to further enhance their financial understanding, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money. Along with other valuable deals, keep exploring and questioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.